friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel Express Naukri. Vishakha Glass is coming up with state-of-the-art with fully integrated 660 TPD solar glass greenfield manufacturing setup at Mundra, Kutch district, Gujarat state. Vishakha Glass require multiple career-oriented professionals, so let's discuss it. Candidates preferred from glass, ceramic, automobile and other continuous process manufacturing units. Serial number 1. Function: rolled glass furnace, batch house, annealing, cutting and rolling. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: operators furnace, batch house, rolling, annealing and cutting. Qualification: Diploma or ITI in ceramic or mechanical or chemical. Experience: 3 to 5 years. Serial number 2. Function: engineering. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: senior technician or technician. Qualification: ITI in fitter or electrician or machinist or welder. Experience: 3 to 8 years. Serial number 3. Function: tempering or glass processing. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: operator tempering, grinding, drilling, AR coating. Qualification: Diploma or ITI in mechanical or electrical or production. Experience: 3 to 5 years. Serial number 4. Function: quality control. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: senior engineer or engineer. Qualification: BE or MSc or BSc or diploma, all branches. Experience: 3 to 5 years. Serial number 5. Function: quality control. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: quality inspector. Qualification: BSc or ITI. Experience: 3 to 8 years. Serial number 6. Function: purchase, store, warehouse. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: assistant manager or senior executive. Qualification: BE or diploma with relevant experience. Experience: 3 to 8 years. Friend, request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri. Serial number 7. Function: information technology. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: manager. Qualification: MCA or BE in information technology or computer science. Experience: 8 to 12 years. Serial number 8. Function: information technology. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: senior engineer or engineer. Qualification: MCA or BE in information technology or computer science. Experience: 3 to 5 years. Serial number 9. Function: human resources. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: assistant manager, talent acquisition. Qualification: MBA or PGDBM in human resources. Experience: 5 to 8 years. Serial number 10. Function: human resources. Job location: Mundra, Kutch, Gujarat. Role: senior executive CLMS. Qualification: MSW or PGDLL. Experience: 3 to 5 years. Serial number 11. Function: human resources. Job location: Ahmedabad. Role: manager or assistant manager, talent acquisition. Qualification: MBA or PGDBM in human resources. Experience: 5 to 10 years. Serial number 12. Function: human resources. Job location: Ahmedabad. Role: executive payroll and MIS. Qualification: MBA or PGDBM in human resources. Experience: 3 to 5 years. Friend, request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri. Serial number 13. Function: administration. Job location: Ahmedabad. Role: front desk executive or receptionist. Qualification: any graduate. Experience: 3 to 5 years. Serial number 14. Function: finance, accounts, treasury, taxation, MIS and costing. Job location: Ahmedabad. Role: senior manager or assistant manager or senior executive or executive. Qualification: CA or ICWA or MCOM or MBA in finance. Experience: 5 to 12 years. Serial number 15. Function: marketing, domestic, international. Job location: Ahmedabad. Role: manager or assistant manager or senior executive. Qualification: MBA or PGDBM, marketing or BSc. Experience: 4 to 8 years. Interested candidates can share latest resume to email address saurabh.jan@vishakha.com. For more information you may check company's official website, www.vishakha.com. Thank you and all the best from Team Express Naukri.